Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Westminster finished in the very stylish Fuji White. It's a 3-litre diesel, and it certainly does look the part, and it's sitting on those stunning 22-inch gloss black alloys, contrasting with the red brake calipers very nicely. Got the black exterior pack and the rear privacy glass working well with that white finish. Very practical amount of boot space there as well. Moving to the interior of the vehicle, you have got the ebony leather finish, very comfortable to be in, really adding true luxury within. Got the 4-zone climate control and Meridian sound system there as well, sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle. Very well presented dashboard, as well as having the sliding panoramic sunroof that had a huge amount of natural lighting. Taking a seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 360 camera, giving you full coverage of the vehicle, allowing you to target certain areas there as well. You've got a huge range of other features with a simple touch. These do also include your ambient interior lighting, really adding a personal touch to the interior. You have got your 4-zone climate control and your heated front and rear seats, perfect for use all year round. And for more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.